In part one of today's lab, we are looking at the cervical plexus, which is this complex weave that's coming off of the neck. Now on complete anatomy, it is very confusing right here. So I've highlighted it in purple, but it's very confusing on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually send you to a web page where you are going to look at it in a lot more detail, and they're going to actually do a cadaver dissection. So here's the cervical plexus. It's from the anterior roots of C1 to C5. C5 doubles up actually and becomes part of the brachial plexus as well. And we have the hypoglossal nerve, high hypoglossal nerve, sneaking down. So the one nerve I actually care about is the phrenic nerve. So even though this is really cool, it's very confusing. So we're going to watch a dissection video on another website. And it's actually a fresh cadaver, not a preserved one. So the colors are really nice on it. So watch it. Again, the nerve I care about is the phrenic nerve. I'm then going to send you to this page. It has extra structure. So here's the cervical enlargement. We looked at that last lab. But I care about the cervical plexus. So again, it's the hypoglossal nerve and C1, which is hiding right there, I believe, down to C5, which it looks like is that one. I'm not counting them. So the one nerve I care about, do you remember what it is? The phrenic nerve. There's the phrenic nerve. So look at it, go, ooh, ah, oh. I think the video is really helpful for you. That's why I'm having you do it. This whole thing, besides the video, should take you all of 45 seconds. We have the brachial plexus down here. We have other structures here. So don't spend too long on this. The brachial plexus and the lumbosacral plexuses are more important. So that is part one. Thank you.